Hello dear students, I hope you all are well. Today I am going to cover the last chapter of this session for class 8th DAV board, chapter number 12, A Bad Dream by Dawn Byrne. Okay, the pronunciation is Byrne, it's not Byrne. Okay, so this is a play and this is a 3-act play. It means there are 3 scenes in this play. Fine. The characters of this play are Mr. George Hill, the manager of a bank, Jane Hill, his wife, Annie, their cook, Mr. Briggs, the assistant manager of the bank, Mr. Winter, the cashier. I have already uploaded the video of this chapter in Hindi on my channel. If you want it in Hindi, you can go and check there. There is a word for word explanation. This is only the summary. Okay. So in scene number 1, it is about 2 o'clock on Sunday afternoon when Mr. and Mrs. Hill have had lunch and they are drinking coffee in the sitting room and doing a conversation. So Mr. Hill, a bank manager, he is extremely dissatisfied with the coffee and the food made by their cook Annie. Please be careful about the spellings of Annie, okay? And he wants to terminate Annie from the job and he wants to appoint a new cook in her place. He asks his wife, he here means Mr. Hill. Mr. Hill asks his wife to tell Annie to look for a new job within 3 months. His wife was a very kind person and she does not want to expel Annie from the job as Annie was working in their home for past 20 years. When Mr. Hill asked his wife to tell Annie that they want to expel her, at that time Mrs. Hill tells Mr. Hill that he doesn't care about people, and in annoyance she leaves the room. After that, Mr. Hill, sitting in that room, he dozes off. Dozes off means he took a small nap. I mean, nap is already a small one. Sleeping for some time. So he dozes off and he sees a dream. In that dream, Mr. Briggs, the bank assistant manager, and Mr. Winter, the bank's cashier, they visited him. And they tell him that he must resign. It means Mr. Hill must resign from the job. Why? Because he doesn't manage the bank well. He is not nice to employees. He doesn't work hard, comes late, leaves early and takes 2 to 3 hours for lunch. They also tell him that he can find a new job in about 3 months. After they leave, his wife tells him that she is also leaving because he is jobless Then Annie comes in and tells him that he need not worry. He means Mr. Hill need not worry as she would look after him for free until his wife comes back. Actually, it was a dream which made Mr. Hill realizes his mistake and makes him a kind and a compassionate person. Actually, the dream made Mr. George Hill realized his unfair treatment to Annie and his rudeness to her. It also made him realize his unfair treatment to his employees at bank and his shirker behavior. So he decided not to dismiss Annie and improve his behavior towards everyone. He became considerate man after the dream. So this is a summary of the chapter. This is the easiest chapter. There is hardly any difficult vocabulary. Once you read the chapter, you will understand it very well. There is a small twist in the chapter and that is the dream, which changed the behavior of Mr. Hill totally and completely. So here it finishes. I'll come back with a new video soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.